जेन्ना पयलींचे मुख्यमंत्री आशिल्ले ताणें मेडिकल एक्ट ऑलरेडी इन्फोर्स केल्लो पूण ताची दखल घेवना. दोतोर अमोल आयिल्लो ताणें FIR केली, कंप्लेंट केली, FIR केली, ती रजिस्टर केली. पूण त्या कायद्या प्रमाणे जो कल्प्रीट आशिल्लो तो हांगाच आशिल्लो, ताका कांय तरी कारणा खातीर अटक जावना. सो आमी खूब वेळ रावले, शेनवार गेलो, आयतार गेलो. सकाळी काल रातचो आमी एक IMAच्या ऑफिसांतल्यान एक मॅसेज पावयली सगळ्या आमच्या IMA मेंबराक की आमी पर्वरी पोलीस स्टेशनाचे इन्चार्ज जे आसात PI मिस्टर निनाद आनी तांचे सिनियर एडविन कुलासो हांचे कडेन आयल्यात. सो तांचे कडेन भरपूर आमी भासाभास केली. They have realized the seriousness of the act and they have promised us that they are going to arrest other attendees. Already warrant भायर सरपाचो आसा काय आसा टू अरेस्ट द कल्प्रेट आनी ताजे बरोबर जे ताजे वांगडी आशिल्ले की ताकाय आज सांजे पर्यंत जी फुटेज जी आसा हॉस्पिटलांक JMJ हॉस्पिटलांक ती आयडेंटिफाय करून तांकां अटक करपाची ताणें आमकां आश्वासन दिल्लें आसा. सो हाजे मुखाल्ले क्लॅरिफिकेशन हांव तांचे कडेन मागतां. सर
ओके. जो इन्सिडंट घडला पळय इट इज व्हेरी अनफॉर्च्युनेट. आमचे कडेन एटलिस्ट हियर इन पर्वरीन केन्ना घडून दिस इज द फर्स्ट इन्सिडंट एंड when the incident was reported, जसो आमच्या लक्षान आयलो, clear instructions were given to register the offence. Offence has been registered under Indian Penal Code as well as the Medical Practitioners Protection Act. So डॉक्टरांचे डेलिगेशन जे आयिल्ले आमचे कडेन, डॉक्टरांक आमी एक्सप्लेन करून सांगलां कितले पर्यंत खंय पर्यंत आमचें इन्वेस्टिगेशन पावलो पळय तें. CCTV फुटेज वॉटेवर सगळे आमी इन्वेस्टिगेशन इज मुवींग इन द रायट डिरेक्शन. It is assured to all the doctors that no injustice will be done. As per Medical Protection Act, जशें कितें बरयल्लें, whatever is laid down, we will follow everything, and we whoever is involved, or everyone will be brought to task, will be arrested.
till when? Till what time? We want
deadline. आम्ही सांगला, everything is clear cut, sir. Everything is clear cut. Already सांगला डॉक्टर डेलिगेशना. We have said.
We have said today evening. You say it, no? You say
it can be any time. It can be any time.
By what?
Why don't this झाले सर? तिसरा leaving the FIR under the Medicare Act.
हांव सांगता दोतोर रस्त्यार येनात पूण आमी टूल डावन करूं शकता.
Very good.
माइंड यू,
That is the next step.
आमी रस्त्यार येवपाचे ना, आमी तितले अनकल्चर्ड न्ही, बट एट द सेम टायम वी कॅन टूल डावन अँड सी दॅट यू कम टू नीज. हे मात लक्षात धरात सगळें.
But why was the FIR not registered under the Goa Medicare Act when the Medicare Act was there in force? It is registered.
It is done.
Now it is registered.
It is done.
On day one. Arrest केला जातले sir. Arrest केला
Why culprit was not arrested till now? More than 70, almost 72 hours.
मला फ्रायडे इव्हनिंग रोखडेच अरेस्ट करतात मध्ये बेल मिळणार.
लुकआउट नोटीस और इजी डिक्लेअर्ड अंडर
त्या दिसा 7:30 आम्ही 7 जण कंप्लेन लॉन्च केल्ली आणि तो मनीस 11 पर्यंत हांगा बसलेलो आशिल्लो भायर. आफ्टर द कंप्लेन वॉज लॉन्च ही वॉज अलाउड टू गो. Why sir? Why is that? Why? He has got protection.
And now also he is protected, I think.
Circuit camera, circuit camera. That is the most important evidence.
No, anyway, they have done a lapse. There was a lapse.
इन्सिडेंट जातल्यानी कांयच कोण करचो ना.
फाल्यां तुम्ही अरेस्ट करना आनी लोक अशेंच करतले आमकां मागीर. This is going to happen every time.
आणि हाच्या फुडे डॉक्टरांक सोड आणि कोणाकूय येऊन थापता येतले आणि कोण कांयच करू शकतो ना.
कोणाक डॉक्टरांक थापतावपाचें ना.
पोलिसांक थापटावपाचें.
Who has given you the right to slap the doctor? Who has given you the right to slap that doctor? अजून पर्यंत बरे आसा डॉक्टर्स वेर व्हेरी कूल डावन आणि सामके डेडिकेटेड सामके. पण कितें आसा न्ही, दिस हॅज गॉन बियॉन्ड द लिमिट. वी आर स्कॅर्ड टू वर्क एट आवर वर्क प्लेसीस एट द मोमेंट because of this incidents like this. आणि तुम्हीच जर आमकां प्रोटेक्ट करना जाल्यार कोण करतलो प्रोटेक्ट फाल्यां? Thank you.
But we want results.
Goa Association of Resident Doctors त्यांना attack झाले. When they were giving COVID care, nothing was done. That is why this happened. I will not comment.
Hello.
Sir, we
Let
don't
me
want
assure you one thing, that the assurance what you are giving us today, see that it stands by. Because we also promise you that if this thing does not happen, we'll see to it that the entire medical system is shut down. Whether it is Goa Medical College, whether it is the Directorate of Health Services and all the private sector, and you will be responsible for any health calamities and emergencies not reaching the common man, because police will.
This is a disaster.
But nobody can force.
No, this is a disaster.
Beating a doctor on duty when he is doing his duty is a disaster. So you should apply that act also.
Managing all the time.
Sir, we don't want thali or petals.
Yes.
We want you to act. 48 hours, more than that has passed. You have not done your duty. I'm sorry to tell you that. You have not performed your duty.
सांगचो पडटा आमी सांगचो पडटा पुलिसांक यू शुड नो इट न्ही एक्ट कितें हो तुमकांच खबर आसा न्ही आमी तुमकां एक्सप्लेन करपाचो येवन वॉट इज दॅट एक्ट पुलिशनेस
ताका जर प्रायमा फेसी जर एविडन्स आसा जाल्यार इमिजिएटली अरेस्ट करपाक जाय इज नॉट कॉग्निजेबल आसा ही हॅज टू बी अरेस्टेड दॅट मीन्स दे मे बी नॉट बी एविडन्स विथ ए गॅजेट
Go to no police. But he had some complaint. He could have come to you. There's no reason for physical and oral abuse.
I think we have given the right message to the concerned department, and we expect that the proper action will be followed as soon as
But
possible.
I think all police stations we need to pass a message
Yeah.
that such an act is in force in Goa.
lookout notice you are declaring him as under by bail because he has to surrender to you, right?
Because awareness, I think if the awareness of this act was there, he should have been in jail by now.
You have to give it time.
By Wednesday morning,
You have to give it time limit.
Issue झाला.
But Dr. Boaji, you have to give a time limit.
Wednesday
Goa is
mo-
very small place.
Wednesday morning पर्यंत सांगला. फाल्याचे दीस Wednesday morning पर्यंत सांग. So let's disperse, giving
they go on, they search.
time limit till Wednesday morning 9 o'clock. Is that okay with everybody? All my medical colleagues?
Yes.
Yes, okay. All tools down, we are not working. Monday onwards, we are not working.
From which Monday?
I'm sorry.
Is he going out of the state?
My friend, please.
Or they are planning.
If it is not happening,
It's already 48 hours.
20 hour stethoscope down from Wednesday till unlimited period.
But once,
We will not make it.
Okay, fine.
24 hours. Yeah.
24 hours.
We will come here again.
Okay,
You
fine.
know, still not
Okay, we will come and meet here on Wednesday and
Yeah,
decide.
we take a decision. We can decide.
24 hours. 24 hours.
people suffer.
Yes, exactly.
Sir, we are back at your feet. Wednesday evening.
Yes, okay. We go with a positive note from sir that ही पाळी आमचेर परत येवची ना.
They are happy with
Thank you so much,
Otherwise,
all my
we
colleagues.
all be ready to come here on Wednesday evening at the same
With double strength.
with the first time.
Viva!
Section 147 being in place, we told people not to come and visit the crowd.
Still, it will be more in case something not happening. So I, on behalf of IMA, Indian Medical Association, I thank you, Nina and his colleagues for cooperating with us and we hope that we come to a logical conclusion. Thank you so much.
I have just one thing to tell you all. I am president of, I'm Dr. Shailesh Kamath, president of Panjim Obstetric Gynec Society. As a gynecologist view on this, poor Amol, who has been at the receiving end of this, had for no fault of his. This baby, I'm talking about a medical case, baby had congenital abnormality, incidence of which is around 2 to 5%.
Tell the meaning of congenital. They may not know.
That babies are born with some defects, which can happen normally with 2 to 5% of the pregnant ladies. And not all abnormalities can be picked up with even the best of best technology present today here in Goa, in India, or anywhere in the world. As a result, some abnormalities will be missed. And this was that case. Still, postnatally, because of our expertise available in Goa, like pediatrician Dr. Gauss, the abnormality was picked up, treatment was not available, and because of which the baby succumbed. No fault of any doctor. Such things will happen. In spite, even that it was diagnosed well in advance, things would have happened. All said and done, even if doctor is at fault, there are so many avenues available to these people now. First of all, we are stressed with all this constitutional machinery which is there against doctor. We are already stressed. Machinery like they can approach medical council, they can approach consumer forum, they can approach under Clinical Establishment Act, they can approach under this very act which we are asking the police to apply to the culprit. That act itself has formed a grievance committee. Anybody who has a grievance against the medical practitioner can approach them. Go ahead, we'll fight a case. But don't come and beat us like this. Worst possible thing what has happened in this case is we have been beaten up, and whom we look upon our savior, the police force, has not supported us, and that's why we are here in such a large numbers today.
They have failed in their duty.
If I get a call in the middle of the night, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, I was telling Device P, I can get up and go to attend to the call. Why? Because I think something happens to me, or my police brothers will come to help me. But in spite of taking a beating, 72 hours passed. Out of 72 hours, 12 hours he was sitting in the police station, and still he's not arrested and he's scot free today. They tell us that he cannot be traced today. Why? If such thing, this assaulter is scot free, no doctor of us all will have guts to tomorrow to get up in the middle of the night and attend to the calls of the public. Who will suffer? Are we only sacrificial gods? It's high time public also gets up and forces police to act in this matter. If not, it's not only doctors who are going to be sufferers. If we don't work properly, if we work under stress, who is going to suffer is the entire healthcare system of Goa. So we want public support here. Please support us. Thank you.
Sir, name?
I'm Dr. Shailesh Kamath. I'm president of Panjim Obstetric Gynec Society.
This is a well-planned attack on Dr. Amol TV. The incident happened in GMC early in the morning. There was a call from this same person to Dr. Tilve at 4 o'clock in the morning to request him to bring the baby to show to the mother. And he came, showed the baby and went out. At around 10:30, 11, he came with a gang of 5 or 6 people. And repeated calls were made to Dr. Amol Tilve, who was on rounds. He was called down. He said, I am on rounds. By repeated calls, he was forced to come down. And when he came down, he was first attacked in his consulting room. Then, when he came out in the corridor, which is taken on the CCTV, I have seen it myself, he was again beaten. So this is not a रागान एक उडयलें आहे समजूंक शकता. फायनली आम्ही मनीस
Use proper language.
5-6 people attacking him first in the consulting room and then in the corridor. So we condemn this. I am speaking on behalf of Association of Private Nursing Homes Goa. And another thing is, in spite of all this happening, the doctor is continuing to take care of the patient because we have taken the Hippocrates oath. We have to take the care of the mother, and she is, I think, still in the hospital or may have been discharged today. And we will still continue to take care of this patients like this in our night. We have taken a note. So we are committed to the safety of our patients. So this is the message which I want to give to the people of Goa, that we are committed to patient care.
But please don't beat us up.
Sir, name, your name?
Dr. Govind Kapat.
IMA से कौन है IMA?
all IMA.
Member, president or somewhere? President.
We are presenting this petition to the DYSP today, wherein signatures of all the doctors who are present here are there. On behalf of IMA, we have already handed over the petition to the DYSP. We hope the action will be taken at the earliest. Thank you.
कोण प्रेसिडेंट आहे IMA म्हणलं इंडियन मेडिकल असोसिएशन सगळे मेंबर प्रेसिडेंट
Hello. Hi. How are you? Yes. Very
व्हॉट्सॲपाचेर फोटो मार ओके आणि ऑन द साइड ऑफ लॉ
शेखर सर
सांगपाक जायना
एक घे आणि सर टील किती अल्टिमेटम आयटी टोटल किती झालं फायनल
आम्ही DYSP आयज आशिल्लो एडवेन कोलाचो ताका आमी अल्टिमेटम दिला की आतां पयलीं ते हें पळय म्हणून कितें CCTVची फुटेज तातूंत जे बाकीचे 7 जाण थंय आशिल्ले बरोबर बिकॉज एज पर द लॉ तो मारता तो आसा प्लस ताजे बरोबर जे आहा त्या तांच्या नेटाचेरूच तो मारता न्ही सो तांकां पयलीं 7 जाणां आयज सांजे 12 पर्यंत हाडून बसया म्हणा तांकां अरेस्ट करा तांकां अरेस्ट दाखोव येता बिकॉज एज पर द सेक्शन 4 आहा तातूंत अरेस्ट तांकांय दाखोव येता सो दे आर अ पार्ट ऑफ द गँग सगळे 120 सेक्शन तांकां लायल्यार ते तुका रोखडें तांकां सगळ्यांक भितर घालूं येता सो ते भितर घाले न्ही की ऑटोमॅटीक तो लिपला खंय न्ही आतां तो येतलो भायर सी ताणें आतां कोर्टान गेला आनी कोर्टान आमी तांकां सांगलां पोलिसांक की यू हॅव टू ओपोज द बेल नाल्यार एक कितें म्हणटा ना आमचें कांय ना म्हणून तुमी यू कॅन टेक केअर सो दे हॅव टू ओपोज द बेल सो ऑल्सो डॉक्टर अमोलाचो जो हो आसतलो आमचो एडवोकेट ही ऑल्सो वील बी देअर ओपोजींग द बेल सो हें जर सगळें जालें फाल्यां आनी कोर्टान जर एनीवे आय मोस्ट लायकली आय फील द कोर्ट वील रिजेक्ट हिज बेल बिकॉज हे आमचे सगळे सत्कार केले कोवीड वॉरियर म्हणले आनी देवानी पांयां पडले आनी कितें कितें आमचो आमकां अशें हवेन काडले वयर आनी शेवटी 2 फायदो थपटा मारप दिस इज एब्सोल्युटली नॉट आनी ताजी बाबड्याची कांय चुकूय ना भितर इट्स एब्सोल्युटली इज अ कंटिन्युटी डिफेक्ट सो नो बडी कूड हॅव डन आनी गांवस आय कॅन वाउच फॉर एनीथींग आमच्या भुरग्यांक फाल्यां कितें जालें जाल्यार हांव गांवसा कडेन घेवन वतलो असलो दोतोर आमचो बेस्ट सगळ्यात तो फाल्यां मॅनेज करूंक जायना आनी GMCन मागीर डेथ जातले बिकॉज इट वॉज अ अनमॅनेजेबल थिंग पूण हें अशें करप इज एब्सोल्युटली नॉट आनी आय थिंक द मॅसेज हॅज टू गो टू द पीपल यू कॅनॉट टेक लॉ इन द हँड ताजे कडेन ग्रिव्हन्स सेल आहा IMAचो ग्रिव्हन्स सेल आहा अंडर दीस सेक्शन 7 ऑफ द मेडिकेर एक्ट देर इज अ ग्रिव्हन्स सेल वीच इज अंडर द चेअरमॅनशीप ऑफ डीन कंज्युमर रिड्रेसलचो फोरमचो तातूंत चेअरमॅन आसा नॉर्थ गोवाचो हो आसा आमचो कलेक्टरचो एक मनीस आनी आमचो हॉस्पिटल असोसिएशनचो डॉक्टर मिलिंद आसा फोरम वेर दे कॅन गो टू द मेडिकल काउन्सिल देर इज कंज्युमर फोरम इज देर कोर्ट आसा देर लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स आर देर बट दिस इज अ टोटली रॉंग मॅसेज हॅज गॉन टू द पीपल ते तूं थापटा मार दोन कळ्ळें न्ही आनी नथींग वील हॅपन टू यू आनी तूं सुशेगाद वच घरा कडेन तूं कोर्टान वच कोर्टान तुका एंटिसिपेटरी बेल घे आनी वच दिस इज नॉट फेअर अल्टिमेटम आयज रातचे पर्यंत 6 जाणांक तांणी हाडूंक जाय पयलीं आनी फाल्यां सी ताजेर अरेस्ट जर तो मेळ्ळो जाल्यार ही कॅन बी अरेस्टेड एनी टायम ताजेर ऑलरेडी तांणी दे आर सर्चींग फॉर दॅट पण इम्पॉर्टंट कोर्टान कितें जातालें कोर्टान सपोज रिजेक्ट केलो यू शूड हॅव अरेस्टेड देर ओनली इमिजिएटली अँड पुट बिहायंड बार आनी एटलीस्ट एक 48 hours तरी तो भितर व्हरूंक जाय हाजे पयलीं अशें जाल्लें आसा आमची संदेश मडकयकाराची तेन्ना केस जाल्ली तेन्ना
ही वॉज द ड्रायव्हर आनी दोग जाण 2 दीस भितर उरले कळ्ळें न्ही पण इट इज इम्पॉर्टंट इट इज हाऊ मच police also push करपाक जाय तांकां म्हाका दिसता today's crowd is sufficient tonic for the police to go ahead and do it right.
म्हटलं की if they are not acting then you will be forced to
that action we will take. We'll have to sit together and decide what is to be done. See, कितें आहा फाल्यां दोतोराचें म्हणलें आमी जर कांय काम करना जाल्यार आमकां गाळी काम केलें आनी आमचेर जर सापटा मारल्यार शेवटी आमकांच गाळी आनी तुमी ना नोबल प्रोफेशन तुजें नोबल प्रोफेशन तुमी कांय करूंक जायना आयज पळय कितके दोतोर आयले ते विदीन कितके आमी काल रातची मेसेज धाडल्या आनी आयज आयले सो आनी ते बी कोवीड आसतना इतके लोक आयले इट इज अमेझींग पीपल ऑल यंग क्राउड इज हियर जाणटेलो म्हाका दिसता आमीच उरले हांगा दोग तीग जाण कांय ते भायर सगळे यंग क्राउड यू सी द क्राउड वीच इज हियर सो यू नो दे आर वरीड.
डॉक्टर एनी आयडिया कितल्यावो इन्सिडंट आसतलो असो म्हणजे डॉक्टराचेर अटॅक जाता तो
हे आमचो एटलीस्ट एक 7वो तरी 8वो आसतलो
म्हणजे कितले वर्साचे पिरियड
फॉर लास्ट आमी आतां 2000 हो एक्ट हा 2013 ताजे नंतर कांय जावं नाशिल्लें आयक रे मातसो आयक हांव सांगता न्ही 2013 नंतर एक 2-3 केसीस जाल्यो एक डॉक्टर रेडकराची व्हडली केस जाली ताजेर लुकआउट नोटीस काडली फॉर द बायलेक ती बायलेक अजून गोंयांत येवंक मेळना बिकॉज इट इज इंटरपोल लुकआउट आसा ताजे नंतर आनी अशे 2-3 जाण जाल्यो केसीस आनी एक इम्पॉर्टंट केस जाली भितर बसून पडले इज मडकय जाले ते संदेशाचे जाले ही केसीक तांकां 2-3 दीस भितर दवरले पूण हें कशें जाता हें तुमी हायलायट जर करना न्ही इट शूड बी डेटरंट तुमी हायलायट करूंक जाय की पोलिसाचेर तूं भितर बसूं शकता म्हणून आनी दीस केस आय थिंक वी शूड फॉलो टू द लॉजिकल एंड एक 2 वर्सां लागून न्ही पण 2 वर्सांत ताका आमी 6 म्हयने तरी भितर बसोवंकूच लायतले.
मेडिकल वो नॉन बेलेबल ऑफेन्स
इट इज अ कॉग्नायजेबल आनी नॉन बेलेबल ऑफेन्स इट्स अ प्युअर मिस्टेक दॅट दे शूड हॅव अरेस्टेड इवन दॅट डे ओनली ते अरेस्ट करपाचो आनी ताका सांगपाचें तूं कोर्टान वच आनी बेल घे बिकॉज पोलीस कॅनॉट गीव बेल इन तुजेर आनी म्हजेर बारीक लोकांचे थापट मारले न्ही पोलीस दॅमसेल्स कॅन रिलीज यू ऑन अ बेल ऑफ 10,000 घाल बॉन्ड घाल आनी वच पण दीस लॉ आमी स्वता बसून केल्लो आसा हो लॉ आनी इतको ताजेर आमी तकली घालून केला हो लॉ सो दॅट द डॉक्टर्स वील बी प्रोटेक्टेड सो आय होप दॅट आयज तरी तांणी ते बाकीच्यांक जर धरले ऑटोमॅटिकली तो बिळांसून भायर येतलो. लॉ अँड ऑर्डर इज क्वायट ओके लॉ अँड ऑर्डराचे प्रॉब्लेम ना दीस इज नॉट अ लॉ अँड ऑर्डर प्रॉब्लेम दीस इज द इंडिव्हिज्युअल प्रॉब्लेम फाल्यां एक एकटो कितें अशी शाणपणां करतलो ही प्रॉब्लेम येतली पोलीस हॅज टू टेक एक्शन न्ही सो दॅट इज द पोलीस हॅज टू टेक एक्शन. सी द प्रॉब्लेम इज लॉ पयलीं कोणाक खबर ना ते आमकां SMS येता की बाबा तो धाड म्हणून गॅजेट कितें तें आमी धाडटकच मागीर हे गॅजेट पळयतात आनी मागीर सोदतात सो आतां दे वील बी नोईंग तांचे फर्स्ट केस इन दीस 3 पोलीस स्टेशन म्हाका दिसता फर्स्ट केस जाल्या सो वी हॅव टेकन इट टू द लॉजिकल एंड आमी हे लॉजिकल एंडाक व्हरतले दीस केस तरी इज अ गूड एक्झाम्पल हाव टू टेक इट टू द लॉजिकल एंड.
Message has to go loud and clear.
Loud and clear. We are going to meet Chief Minister now at 4 o'clock. He has given an appointment on the same matter.
Doctor.
I am Dr. Prakash Kugalekar. I am the ex-president of IMA Mormugaon. 2 शब्द सांगपाक जाय म्हणजे कितें पण डॉक्टर हाजो अर्थ असो न्हय की प्रत्येक पेशंटाक आमी साल्वार करतले वा ताका बरो करतले हें जे लोकांच्या मनांत आसा न्ही तें तांकां कळूंक जाय की केस टू केस ताजो रिजल्ट डिपेंड आसता म्हणून केस समज सिरियस असली तो पेशंट मरपाक शकता कॉम्प्लिकेशनां वचूंक शकता वा ताजें कितें जावंक शकता आमी कितें देव न्हय असो हात करून पेशंटाक बरो केलो हें पब्लिकाक कळपाक जाय जेन्ना ताका सेव करपाक जायना तेन्ना आमचेर तुमी हात उखलतात तें कितें अशें जगार सगळे प्रोफेशन आसा न्ही बाकीचे अशे ते लॉयर्स आसा इंजिनियर्स आसा आमचे पॉलिटिशियन्स आसा तेय जायते फावट काम करिना न्ही पूण तांचेर हात उखलता ना न्हय आमचेर कित्याक तुमी उखलतात अशी केस खंयचीच केस अशी हाता भायर वचूं शकता कित्याक आमी अशे देव न्ही प्रत्येकाक आमी सारकें करतले म्हणून तेन्ना प्रत्येक पेशंटान ताच्या सोयऱ्यांनी सगळ्यांनी समजूंक जाय आपली केस कितली सिरियस आतां ह्या भुरग्याक इतलो डिफेक्ट आशिल्लो जन्मस्थूच डिफेक्ट आशिल्लो तो साल्वार जालो ना मरपाचो मेलो न्ही तेन्ना प्रत्येकाक समजूंक जाय डॉक्टराचो कितें दोश डॉक्टर हरशींच जाल्यार आमी आवट ऑफ द वे वचून पेशंटाक सेव करपाक ट्राय करतात आनी वयल्यान आमचेर ह्या भशेन करप कायदो आसा तो पुलीस डिपार्टमेंट आपलें काम सारकें करिना इमिजिएटली ताका अरेस्ट करून ताका भितर उडोवंक जाय आशिल्लो हें कितें चल्लां म्हणजे पॉलिटिकल कॉन्टेक्ट कोणाचो आसलो ताका सोडप ताका सेव करप हें रॉंग फुडें आमी कशें काम करतले अशें जालें जाल्यार आमचें बेस्ट कशें दितलें आमचेर तुमी फुलां उडयतात ताळयो मारतात थाळयो मारतात हें कितें ताची आमकां कांयच गरज ना हाजे फुडें कांयच करपाक गरज ना आमकां फक्त सारकें प्रोटेक्शन दियात आमचेर इंजस्टीस जाता ती तुमी सारकी करात समजून घ्या की प्रत्येक पेशंटाक ताच्या सोयऱ्याक आमी तांकां सेव करूंक शकना जे आमच्या हातांत आसा तितलेंच ताच्या भायर वचून आमी करतात हें तुमी समजूंक जाय एप्रिशिएट करना जाता आमकां ताळयो थाळयो कांयच गरज ना हें समजून घेयात आनी हात उखलपाचो बंद करा उखल्लो जाल्यार भितर जेलींत वचपाक तयार रावात ह्या कायद्या प्रमाणे कायदो केल्लो आसा पूण ते पाळणारे मनीस पाळिनात आनी बेगीन हाचे बाबतींत एक्शन घेवचें थँक्यू प्रकाश कुंकळेकर एक्स प्रेसिडेंट IMA मोर्मुगांव